Are you ready for the next Bitcoin halving? In the year before the last halving, Bitcoin gained a staggering 300%. But what can we expect in 2023? Join us as we delve into the potential impact on the market and discover how you can capitalize on this exciting opportunity. Click now to watch this video and stay ahead of the game. Bitcoin is one of the most revolutionary and disruptive technologies to hit the market in recent years. Digital currency has been making waves in the financial world, and it's no surprise that it's been on a steady climb since its creation in 2009. However, the year before the last halving event in 2016, Bitcoin saw an unprecedented 300% increase in value. This event, known as the halving, is a built-in machine with a mechanism that reduces the number of new Bitcoins that are created and released into the market. This means that the supply of Bitcoins is gradually decreasing, and as a result, the value of the digital currency has been on the rise. As we approach the next halving event in 2023, many are wondering what will happen to the value of Bitcoin. Will it continue to rise or will it experience a crash? In this video, we will explore the history of Bitcoin's halving events and the potential impact on the 2023 halving on the value of digital currency. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that utilizes cryptography for security and operates independently of a central bank. It was created in 2009 by an individual or a group of individuals using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Transactions are recorded on a public ledger called a blockchain, which allows for transparency and eliminates the need for a third-party intermediary. Instead, transactions are verified by a network of users called miners, who are incentivized with small amounts of Bitcoin for their work. The total supply of Bitcoin is limited to 21 million, and as of January 16, 2023, over 18 million have been mined. Bitcoin can be bought and sold on various online exchanges and can also be used as a form of payment for goods and services. While it is still considered a relatively new and volatile asset, it has been gaining mainstream acceptance and has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about and use money. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that has been gaining popularity in recent years. One of the most notable events in the history of Bitcoin is the halving, which occurs every 210,000 blocks. The halving is a process that reduces the amount of new Bitcoin that is created and released into circulation. The last halving occurred in May of 2020, and many experts are now wondering if the next halving in 2023 will be different from the previous one. Before the last halving in 2020, Bitcoin experienced a significant increase in value. In the year leading up to the halving, the price of Bitcoin rose by 300%. This was a significant increase, and many investors and traders were excited about the potential for future growth. However, it is important to note that the price of Bitcoin is highly volatile and it can fluctuate greatly in a short period of time. One of the reasons that Bitcoin gained so much value in the year before the last halving is that it is a finite resource. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence, and as more and more Bitcoins are mined, the supply becomes scarier and scarcer. The scarcity creates a demand for Bitcoin, which drives up the price. Additionally, as more people become aware of Bitcoin and start to invest in it, the demand for Bitcoin increases, which also drives up the price. The halving is another factor that contributes to the increased value of Bitcoin. The halving reduces the amount of new Bitcoins that are created and released into circulation, which in turn drives up the demand for Bitcoin and increases its value. Now, many experts are wondering if the next halving in 2023 will be different from the previous one. Some experts believe that the day halving will have a similar effect on the price of Bitcoin as the last one did. They believe that the scarcity created by halving will drive up the demand for Bitcoin, which will increase its value. However, others believe that the next halving will have a different effect on the price of Bitcoin. One of the reasons that some experts believe the next halving will be different is that the market for Bitcoin is more mature now than it was before the last halving. More people are aware of Bitcoin and are investing in it, which means that the demand for Bitcoin is already high. Additionally, more businesses and institutions are accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment, which also increases the demand for Bitcoin. Another reason that some experts believe the next halving will be different is that the price of Bitcoin is more stable now than it was before the last halving. The price of Bitcoin is still volatile, but it has not experienced the same wild fluctuations that it did before the last halving. Some experts believe that the next halving will be different because of the increasing competition in the cryptocurrency market. There are now many other cryptocurrencies that are competing with Bitcoin, such as Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. These cryptocurrencies have their own unique features and benefits, which could make them more attractive to investors and traders. In conclusion, the year before the last Bitcoin saw a staggering 300% increase in the value of the cryptocurrency. This was a significant event for the crypto community and investors alike, as it marked a new phase in the growth and development of Bitcoin. However, as we approach the next halving in 2023, many are wondering if the same pattern will repeat itself or if this time it will be different. While it is impossible to predict the exact outcome, it is important to keep in mind that the crypto market is constantly evolving and changing. Factors such as increased adoption, regulatory changes, and market sentiment can all play a role in determining the future of Bitcoin. Ultimately, only time will tell if 2023 will bring a similar surge in value or if the market will take a different direction. Regardless of the outcome, it is crucial to stay informed and make informed decisions when investing in the crypto market.